This is Alex. Alex wants to start a coffee shop. But what does she need? Alex needs capital. Capital is money and resources used to run a business. It includes money, tools, machines, and buildings. There are two main types of capital. Money capital helps businesses buy things. Real capital includes the tools and machines used to make products. Alex can get capital in different ways. She can use her own savings, borrow money from a bank, or find an investor to help her. If Alex uses own capital, she has no debt but risks losing her savings. If she takes a loan, she must pay it back with interest. Capital helps businesses grow. With the right capital, Alex can buy better equipment, hire workers, and expand. But be careful. Borrowed capital must be paid back with interest. If Alex borrows too much, she might struggle to pay it back. So next time you see a business, remember, it all started with capital.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.